Have you ever wanted to model a robot or a sci-fi suit or a transformer kind of hard surface characters and learn the industry techniques for hard surface sculpting in Zbrush? Well, if so, this course is definitely for you. Welcome to Nexttut Education's Hard Surface Character Sculpting in Zbrush course. My name is Richard John Mason. I'm a self-taught 3D artist. In the past, I've worked for 3D Artist Magazine, 3D World Magazine, Nissan, Nickelodeon, and I was also a 3D artist at Guerrilla Games. Currently working in 3D print on collectibles and game design with Dragonpunk. At the end of this course, you'll be able to sculpt hard surface characters using Zbrush and Keyshot with confidence. You'll be able to create hard surface characters from scratch and use techniques to go on and then create your own models. We'll cover in this course taking an existing Zbrush base mesh, editing it to suit our own needs, sculpting overall shape of our character, adding under armor, working with fabrics and joints, creating outer armor, using transpose to change overall shape, posing the character, and then before moving on to Keyshot, we will go through the model and prepare it ready for Keyshot. Once we have it into Keyshot, we will start adding materials and find the best render settings, and then we'll move straight on to our final composite in Photoshop. I made this course for intermediate Zbrush users, but anyone can download Zbrush and Keyshot and start creating with only what Zbrush comes with. All default settings, all real time, no speed ups, no skipping, 100% step by step. There is also a 30-day money back guarantee, so there's no risk at all to you. So enroll now, start creating your hard surface characters today.